In this video, I will show you how to deposit money from Coinbase to your bank account. Now, first thing we need to do is open up our Coinbase app or website, and then you have to click on this My Assets option. Now on this screen, you will be able to see all of your assets. So you have to just scroll down, and then you have to select the cryptocurrency that you want to transfer or deposit in your bank account, because first we need to sell that cryptocurrency. So just select your preferred cryptocurrency from here, and then you just have to click on this sell button from this page, and then just enter the amount how much you want to deposit or sell, and then you have to click on this do option, and from there you have to select your local currency from here. If you have the, for example, I have euro wallet or GBP wallet, but you can create your local currencies wallet in your Coinbase. So I'm going to select my local currency wallet from here, and then you just have to click on this review order button, and then just click on this place order button, and your cryptocurrency is converted into your local currency. Now we can transfer that money or deposit that money in our bank account. So just click on done, and from this portfolio you also find your local currency on here. So just select the local currency from here, and then you will find this option cash out. You have to click on it, and then you just have to select your bank account by clicking on this area. You can select your already added bank account from here, or you can click on this add a payment method to add your new bank account. After that, just enter the amount how much you want to deposit, and then click on this preview cash out button at the bottom of your screen. Then it will ask you to confirm this action, so make sure you have entered the right amount and selected the right bank account. And once you are satisfied with details, click on this cash out now button. And once you follow these steps, your money will be deposited from Coinbase to your bank account. So I hope this video was helpful. Please like this video and subscribe to my channel.